What's going on? It's Rock from Rock Shop, and I'm going to show you a faster way to list your items in the bulk editing tool on eBay. Okay, and by the way, my name is Rocco. I'm a full-time eBay reseller. I also sell on Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp, Let Go, Facebook Market, local sales, anything that I can do to make money. Legal, of course. And I'm going to show you how to list your items. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you how to list using the bulk edit. Okay, so here we are. I'm just going to pick all of these with the exceptions of, we'll do all of them. And I keep all of my, I have templates for everything, which I'm going to show you. This is my beautiful desktop. Let me see. Let's just get right into my folder. I have a folder for all my eBay templates. See, checkout instructions, which you need in all of your listings. I put my, so what they are is, a lot of them are just HTML, but some of them are just regular text. But for my drafts, for my templates, like let's say here's electronic games, this is the HTML, which is everything in text, which then interprets your template. It's kind of hard to explain, so we're going to get rid of that. We'll take that out. Now let's get started. Okay, so you're going to go into your drafts, which what I do is I look everything up, I sell similar, and then I create the draft, and then I go in, and then I take my pictures directly from my phone through the eBay app, which is perfectly fine. Your pictures come out phenomenal. I mean, for me, I have no issues. So here are the things that I have ready to go, and I'm going to hit complete drafts. Excuse me. By the way, if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, thumbs up. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the follows. And here we're going to just hit the top box on the left, which is going to select everything. And you're going to go into your fields. Here's all your editing fields, all your options, which I'm going to go into my, because I want to put a template into everything. I want to make my listing as quick as possible, so I'm going to fill in all the blanks. So I'm going to go into my item description. I have all my templates ready. You want to make sure you click on HTML if you're adding that text. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to use one of the templates that I already have, which is going to be plain with no size description. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste that in here, and this is what my template looks like. Some of them are different. I'm not really feeling that color, but you have to have your international buyer's note to let them know that you are not responsible for any of the charges for international fees. And I'm going to save that, and what that's going to do is that's going to add that template into every single one of my listings, so I don't have to do them individually. So I just did all these listings and added a template to all of them in less than 2 minutes. So it's going to save you a lot of time. The format and duration is going to automatically be there. Condition, none of these other things really apply. This is better for if you're listing, say you're listing 20 shirts and they're all going to be new, or they're all going to be, different. This is going to be an easy way to add in all of these all of these fields, all of these options all at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save and continue later, and then I can go ahead and work on my listing. So we're going to go ahead with this, that's actually already listed. I'm going to do one listing and just to show you. Come on, there we go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and change that. That's youth. Youth t-shirt size, I believe it is, go ahead and fix my picture, it's a youth medium. Alright, size medium, Kelly green tee, Camp Kelly, I'm going to add in Camp. Okay, since I sold similar, it actually has somebody's number, their inventory number was at the end, so I just deleted that. This is not Reebok. NFL Vintage Philadelphia Eagles Youth t-shirt size medium. We'll go ahead and add the whole Kelly green tee. Let's add short sleeve. Okay. And then I'm going to copy that and take that down here. I'm going to add in these are all my store categories because I do have a store. Sometimes it's better to have a store if you have more things. I have the premium store, which is $60 if you lock in for a year. This is in pretty good condition. Alright, we're going to delete that because that automatically is there when you sell similar. You'll get the whole title. So here we go. NFL Vintage Philadelphia Eagles Youth T-shirt size medium, Kelly green tee, short sleeve. Medium shirt. We're going to change the. You make sure you have to make sure that you change all the things when you sell similar because they're not going to be exactly what you are looking for. Philadelphia Eagles Vintage Souvenir. I'm going to remove that because that's not what it is. This is not vintage. It's not Reebok. I believe it is. I think it's. Is it Gildan? I'm not really sure. I'll have to get back to that. I'm just going to put unbranded. Okay, so this is pretty quick to do this. So I probably could have did that and added the price in bulk editing, but not everything I have is going to be the same amount. So this will just do $19.99. We'll do best offer. That I could have added in bulk editing, my additional checkout instructions. See, I should have done that. That's what I forgot. I knew there was more to add in. So that will add it into also. I could have skipped that. It would have already been done. I do free shipping on most of my items under £1. I also do the international shipping. You will get a couple a month if you do. It will open up your store and your items to more people. Obviously, I just do worldwide. There is the eBay International Standard Delivery, which I was doing the first class mail. I'm not sure which is cheap, so don't quote me on that one. You can just do first class mail international. So, and with that, you have to make sure you have your weight right. I kind of go over a little bit since it's free anyway for anyone in the United States to buy it. So I just try to go over to cover my butt so that way, because if it's even 5 ounces over going to another country, you're going to be paying out the nose for shipping, and you don't want to get caught with extra fees. So I usually just do one just to get the duplicate promoted listing. You get two listings up. You don't have to compete with the trending rate. And it just depends on what you're selling. And then I'm going to list the item. So that didn't take too long. It only took a couple minutes for me to list that listing. If you can get as many things in the bulk editing tool as you can, then it'll be faster for you to list your item. Okay, so there you go. There's my item. It's going to be live. As you can see, I have a lot of items. I have 2008 items. Here is my shirt that is live. Boom, boom, boom. I could have probably cropped it out and whited the background and made it a little bit nicer, which I'll probably go in and edit, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to do that. It's very simple. It will save you a lot of time, and one thing when you're doing this reselling thing, you need to try to, to use your time as wisely as possible to not waste any time doing things that are unnecessary, or if you can find faster ways to do things, it's a bonus. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Excuse the mess in the background. If you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Leave comments. I'll leave everything in the descriptions, which includes this Pirates hat if you are a Pirates fan. I am not. I am a diehard Philadelphia fan. I'm a Philadelphia native. So thanks for watching, and peace out.